Hey, someone wanted me to try it running. GoPro Bra, low light mode, 4K, 30 frames per second. Give us a chance. How's it look? I'm shaking it. Let's give it a go. I'm not much of a runner, but let's give it a try. Oof. Wow. The shakiness is quite extreme. Oh no, stop. Yikes. Whew. Well, the camera's now facing horizontal. Look at that. Looks like it's facing straight, but actually it shakes so much it actually rotated the body. Ah, crap. I guess that's that. I think there needs to be a way to reinforce this. The elastic bands are too stretchy. And I had this GoPro screw on very, very tight. I mean, it would shake on cycling. Alright, let's just stop and see how the footage is. Okay, how about I just hold it in my hand, Statue of Liberty style, give it a go. Really dark here. Okay. Let's see how that turns out.
Yeah.